Hi everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, and I'm super duper excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty excited. So I got in a couple of the warmers that are like new in our spring summer catalog, and this one I have been, what is it, goggling? Is goggling a word? I know Googling's a word, but that wasn't what I was doing. Googling. Basically, I've been stalking everybody else's page that has bought it, and I've been jelly, and I finally got mine. So it is the Summer Rain Warmer, and I am so excited to share it with you. Oh my gosh. So here we go. And I love the quotes that Heidi and Orville put right here, our CEOs. And this one is, it says Heidi and Orville. It takes courage to grow, fail, learn, and make mistakes on your own journey to becoming your best self. Heidi and Orville, man, that is very insightful. I love that. Okay, so let's see what color this dish is. I'm thinking it's like a pinky color. That's what I've been seeing online. But you know, pictures are kind of, I don't know, sometimes they don't show you the exact color because of lighting. And you guys, this, oh my, look at how pretty that is. It's the most beautiful pink. And it's kind of like muted, but very pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. I actually have a spot for it in the living room, like ready to go. So let me go. Oh my. Oh. I got a cough, you guys. I got so excited I lost my breath. Oh my God, that's ridiculous. I got so excited I breathed so deeply that I lost my breath. What is happening to me? Oh my gosh. Oh. You guys ready? So Summer Rain. The inside is amazing. Okay, I'm going to show it all to you. So it looks like raindrops, okay? You see that? And it has like an opalescent, like it has like a little bit of like, kind of like, not purple, but it's not like purple. It's like iridescence to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I should have done this video while the sun was up and I didn't use a light because I don't know if it's going to show well. What I may do is turn off this light so you can see it when it's lit. Okay, so it's a 25-watt warmer. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Come on, Scentsy. This is crazy amazing. How did they do this? Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful. It looks like water coming down the window, but like a really pretty window. Okay, so here's the warmer. Let's go ahead and put the dish in. Absolutely stunning. So you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. You guys. Holy, look at how pretty this is. I can't take it. This is the color that showed in pictures, but I was like, surely it can't be that color. Oh my gosh. I got to turn off this ring light so you guys can see it like in the dark. Hold on. I got all these things on my desk. Okay. Let's see if I bring it in. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it in close. See how it has like that purpley color in the middle? But it's like iridescent. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gorgeous. What in the world, Scentsy? What in the world? Okay, this has just become my all-time favorite. And I have a lot of favorites, but my all-time favorite Scentsy warmer. I have never seen anything so beautiful in my life. I have another warmer to review. How's it going to top this? I mean, I'm sure it's beautiful, but holy mackerel. You guys. Anyway, like I said, it's called Summer Rain, and you are going to need this warmer. You are going to need this warmer. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, follow me everywhere. Let's be friends. And I will definitely be dropping the link to this one below. All right, you guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.